Alright, I just want to do a quick update to this brake problem that I was having. Yeah. And you can see that's, I'll run those again, but for some reason it's only registering so much. We're going, creeping up. I guess I'll have to double check the pedals, see if there's anything stuck down there, but this wheel and pedal set's fairly old, so I've actually got the pedals in my hand right now, just checking. I don't see anything blocking it. Put those back down on the pegs. So let's go do a test real quick. Yeah, almost 100%. Alright. Alright, I've got brakes back. That's all I really wanted to check. So, I don't know what happened during that race. That was just really annoying.